Inongilam ka Bharatiya Janata Party jong Jela Meghalaya ni kesni galaitrik urampang arjar arpsa kila pynkup burom ya ka Kong Silbi pasa kabala yo ya ka kusnam kum kapat masri haba jingkren ha kini kesni na kaleng ka Kong Silbi pasa kala pau ke jing sngongu ya ka sinjam ka ba lashim da ka seng BJP ban pynkup burom ya ki bru ke bawan ra nam ya ka jela ila ongro ba kala yaj lenti habun tuli kisnam kum inong hikai hindi da ka bai shimenta ha ki bun ki benta bat habun ki liang bat idon ro ke jeng angnot ban kyntiew ya ka tem kaput ka shat ka rwai ka sniaw tenrai ka ba deina ka jela Meghalaya ila ongro ba hakini kisnam baladam nagaleng ka tanat arts and culture hapok jingkmi jong ba al hek ba shanbor sulai nangta menta ka kenti ha ka jingpai jong ba poleng do kila pli lat ya i ha ka ni ka sngi lai don langro lakinong ilam ba hakmat do ka seng BJP ke ba kantup yo president ke BJP Rikman Jimomin Mariam Hom Kharkrang but kitkhot jong ka BJP.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank God who have blessed us with sound health so that we can gather here to be facilitated by you all, the influential people of the country. I am indeed honored. My gratitude goes to the organizer of this program, who feels that I deserve this appreciation. I have come a long way in my journey as a Hindi teacher, taking part in my student to curricular activities. I have this keen interest to preserve and promote traditional song, dance, as well as instrument. Love all these traditional instruments. What belong my students? In the later year, the Department of Art and Culture acknowledged my effort and paved way for me to enhance our culture. I was given an opportunity to showcase our traditional song, dance, not only within the state, but also to the different states of India. I am grateful to the Department of Art and Culture and also to the ICCR. Looking back, I remember Ba A.L. Heck, Ba Sanbor Shulai, the former Minister of Art and Culture, who always inspired me whenever we performed. A word of inspiration from them is indeed a spark to dwelling in God. Not to forget Paul also, who was the Minister of Art and Culture, who have interest, keen interest in promoting our culture. My success goes to my students, my troops, who always cooperate with me. In our effort, I am thankful to all of them. Let me further extend my gratitude to the headman of our locality, Bakakran, who have taken the initiative and enabled me to share my success. As a conclusion, let me